And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 172. Let me show you the tiles filter. Let's apply it to this image first. You can find it under filter stylize. It's gonna give you this menu. We have number of tiles and maximum offset, and important is fill empty area with. Background and foreground color are defined right here. So it's our color swatches. Background color should be white for me now. And I'll make it 20 tiles and 20% offset max. This is the result that we get. You can see the white color, which is the background color. And if I adjust, for example, the number of tiles to 5, we get less of them. And the distance here, this white area is defined by the offset, which was still 20. We make that smaller, and now the offset is smaller too. Let's go over the other options for fill empty area, because we also have inverse image, which is going to color invert the original. And you can also keep the original, which is here called unaltered image. And this effect can also be added to text. Let me simply create a text here. I use Ctrl T to size it up. And you can adjust it, so font, style, color under properties. If you add the filter, you first have to convert it to a smart object. Once that is done, it works like it did with the image. This is how you can use the tiles filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.